There are floods in Jammu and Kashmir in which 5 people have died. Several people have been injured in these landslides as well. 3 among the 5 people who have died in these terrible floods that have in these floods that have triggered landslides as well are children. My colleague Nazir Masoodi has been reporting from ground zero on this situation, and he says that hundreds of people have been affected as water levels are receding. People are now starting to return to their damaged homes, and the administration, of course, is now focusing on relief efforts after evacuation has in fact been completed in key areas. So it's a terrible situation there. Landslides and flash floods that of course have been triggered by heavy rainfall in Jammu and Kashmir. 5 people have died. Nazir sent us the details.
Flood water has receded, but it has caused massive damage to homes, property of common people, public infrastructure. You can see this house completely submerged. And people are trying to salvage whatever they can. And since last 2 days, this place has been really badly affected. This village is called Kavari, which is in Kupwara district. So around 100 families have been affected. They have been evacuated to safer places by the administration. आप बताएंगे कि क्या हुआ?
यहाँ पे सर ये अचानक फ्लड आया, जो ये यहाँ पे हमारी ये बस्ती है, इनको बहुत नुकसान हुआ इस फ्लड की वजह से। फ्लड की लेवल भी बहुत ज्यादा थी और हमने यहाँ पे एसडीआरएफ टीम भी आई, उनने भी हेल्प की और गाँव वालों ने हेल्प।
Let me show you the water level. Show you the water level. This was the water level, more than 6 feet. This was the water level. So up to this point. So water has now receded, but it has caused immense damage to the property of common people. And because massive, this flooding, heavy rains, landslides has damaged so many houses across Jammu and Kashmir. This village in Kupwara appears to have suffered badly. The administration appears to have anticipated the challenge. They made a contingency plan, evacuated the people that helped save lives. Actually, one person has died in this district, Kupwara district, in a place called Khumriyal. In all, 5 people have died. 3 of them are minors. There has been damage to a large number of houses from Baramulla to Rajouri to this Doda, Riyasi, Ramban, and there was a huge threat of flood in Srinagar since the Jahlim was flowing almost near the danger mark. Thankfully, weather improved from midnight and there's no rains now, and Met Office is now predicting improvement in weather condition. आप ये बताएंगे आपके घर को भी नुकसान हुआ?
हाँ, बहुत नुकसान।
हाँ, क्या ये आपका घर है?
हाँ, सर।
तो क्या नुकसान हुआ? सब कुछ लग रहा है कि पूरा घर में पानी गया, सब चला गया। कितने लोग हैं आपके घर में? कितने लोग हैं आपके घर में? 12 लोग हैं। अच्छा, तो अब कोई सहारा है?
नहीं,
कुछ नहीं। तो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ने कुछ बोला मदद करेंगे?
कुछ नहीं,
अभी कुछ नहीं। हाँ, so clearly people are waiting for some help because administration is saying that they are assessing the damage, what kind of damage have been caused by these floods, and after assessment they are going to announce some relief for the administration. Political leaders are also reaching out to the affected areas, but the fact is what actually these people need, who have suffered a great deal in these flash floods here in Kupwara district, that is immediate relief. The rescue is over. What they need is now relief and rehabilitation. Thankfully, water levels have received in Pohro River, which actually wreaked havoc in this particular area.